Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super exciting to share with you. We're exploring the world of e-commerce and I'm going to show you how to set up your very own online shopping website you can use for dropshipping or sell your products online with just a few clicks thanks to free shopping website feature by Allegana.com and partners ToyoCards. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to register and log into your Allegana account. If you're not registered yet, head over to Allegana.com and get yourself set up. It's a quick and straightforward process. Once you're logged in, head over to the Personal Center and click on My Account. On the left menu, scroll down until you find Dropshipping Store Management and select Store Management. This is where the magic happens. Now, here comes the fun part. Scroll down a bit more until you spot the Activate Now button. This is the button that's going to kickstart your journey towards having your very own online store. We're making great progress. Click on Next Step button to move forward. This will take you to the next section where you can select your store niche. Don't stress too much about this choice. It won't limit what you can sell in your store. Almost there. After you've selected your niche, hit Next Step again. Now, you'll choose a store template that suits your style. Once that's done, it's time for the final step. Fill in the required details, check the agreement box, and get your verification code from your email. Paste that code in the verification code field, and then click on Create. And voila! Your personal online store is officially up and running. You can start selling anything and everything you can think of directly from the factory or supplier. I mean, we're talking about trending products you see on TikTok, Amazon, AliExpress, Facebook, YouTube, you name it. All you need to do is screenshot the product and use the image search feature on Allegana.com. Add it to your store and you're good to go. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in getting your online store off the ground. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section. Hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. In our next video, we will learn how to set up your store settings and optimizing your store for the best reach and conversion. Until next time, happy selling, and I'll catch you in the next video.